Welcome to the World Distributed University of Distance Learning and Remote Experience. WDUDLRE tailors non-traditional, non-residential, transformational experiences through programs in do-it-yourself biodesign, brain hacking and self-modification. We offer essential toolkits for getting ahead in our biopolitical era. Course 1, Ways of Hearing Space. Course 2, Ways of Smelling Space. Course 3, Ways of Feeling Space. You've chosen Course 1. This distance learning course is recommended for people wishing to explore untapped modes of perception. In an era when the industrialization and mechanization of vision increasingly guides our experience of space, WDUDLRE is pushing for body-centered ways of seeing, freedom of perception and a right to blindness. I am a stray dog called Virilio. I'm based on a couch that orbits the Earth close to the WDUDLRE satellite. I will be your guide through this series of online tutorials. So, let's get going. Echolocation is the ability to perceive objects and environments through the use of sonar, as opposed to vision or touch. Bats and dolphins are especially good at this, but in fact you already have a natural ability to echolocate too, even if you haven't tapped into your full potential to use it. Our ability to hear is vastly superior to our ability to see. You can see nothing but you can't hear silence. So, for example, in a totally soundproof room you will still hear your own body pumping blood around itself. A sound in a space is reflected from different things with varying degrees of intensity. Sounds bounce off things and then return to our ears, but our brains suppress these echoes. It's called the precedence effect, and it means that if we hear two sounds in rapid succession we will attend to the first and block out the second. To echolocate you need to train your brain to override the precedence effect. Studies have shown that echolocators deploy the so-called visual cortex rather than the brain's oral centers to understand space through echolocation, so it should probably be renamed the spatial cortex. As you learn to echolocate, distinctions that were previously unnoticed will become apparent, things that were previously unperceivable will be revealed, and a torrent of new differentiations will emerge. You will be able to locate an object and discern its shape and what it is made of based upon the volume and quality of the echo it generates. This is a very physical and embodied form of perception. Click. If you can hear where the echo bounces back fastest and loudest, you will be able to locate the object. The sound waves are bouncing back faster because they have less distance to travel. Click. Different rooms sound different. Click. Different objects sound different too. Click. Different types of clicks can serve different functions. Here are a few varieties of click for you to try now. The pretending to be a horse walking type of click. You know what I mean, the sound of horses' hooves on cobbles, but this click is useless for echolocation. Have a try yourself. That's great. One more time. Now you are getting the hang of it. Perfect. The make the horse go fast click. For this click you need to use the sides of your tongue. That is why it is good in narrow hallways. Have a try yourself. That's great. One more time. Now you are getting the hang of it. Perfect. The make a horse come to you click. This one is made using the front of your tongue against the roof of your mouth close to your teeth. This is a great click for echolocating. Have a try yourself. That's great. One more time. Now you are getting the hang of it. Perfect. The nothing relating to horses click. This is the one the pros use. To make the click, you need to put the meatiest part of your tongue against the roof of your mouth. You might find it harder to master. Have a try yourself. That's great. One more time. Now you are getting the hang of it. Perfect. Now that you know how to echolocate, it's time for a final recap on why echolocation is so great. It's a different way of answering the question, where am I? It's a great new way to experience your home. Echolocation is also a useful tool for navigating at night. Echolocation will equip you with valuable skills for testing if something really is there in a world where appearances become increasingly unreliable. Hack into your brain. The psychological processes involved in experiencing real and virtual space through echolocation are identical. This means echolocation can also be a cheap and easy way to construct a virtual reality. You can also learn a bit about what it is like to be a bat or a dolphin. Now it is time to practice some new skills. We are going to make an interactive virtual tour of Queen's Hall Art Gallery using echolocation. It is essential to wear headphones for this exercise as the recordings are binaural. We also advise you to close your eyes or blindfold yourself. Listen hard to the clicks and try not to bump into anything. Good luck. By signing up for our other WDUDLRE courses you can learn more about how to modify and enhance your senses. Download new modes of perception and start biodesigning your life. Get ahead with WDUDLRE.